Hi boys and girls, are you ready for another Elephant and Piggy story? This one is called There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. There is a bird on your head. Here's Elephant and Piggy. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now, there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know that they are lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds be making a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? How many eggs do you guys see? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now what is on his head? Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Elephant does not look happy. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Where did the birds on the nest go? They went to Piggy. The end.